Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. Today we will see another topic on the HTML. Okay, so we have already uploaded the video on the what is the HTML. So if you haven't gone through it, you can go through with that video. So we have uploaded in the playlist of that HTML itself. Yeah. So next, what we will see is the next topic is so what is the element and the tag? So in this today videos, we will see what is the element and the tag. So here, first of all, we need to understand what is the element and the tag. So in the HTML, an element is a component of the web page, and while tag is a building a block that marks the beginning and the end of an element. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand what is this uh, description is about. Okay, so first of all, the tags, for example, if you are going with the tags, there is tags which is having the start tag and the end tag. So which creates the block for web page. So you can say whenever you are going with whenever you are creating the web page, so it will create the structure, right? So this is the block we will be having, and that are the used by the tags. So coming to the element. So what are the elements means? The elements can contain the content or they can be empty. Sometimes you might give the element which you want to display on the web page. So that is called as a what element. Okay, so they cannot, they might be empty. Sometimes we may leave it as a empty also, right? So which is present inside the what start tag and the end tag. Okay, which can be written within the start tag and the end tag. So you can see the syntax of that. So the syntax is tag, element, and the end tag. This is called as a what? The start tag, and this is called as the element, and this is a end tag. Okay. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is the element and the tag. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.